It's time to get up and get moving towards a better you. The Premier 1300 from Proform integrates the latest technology, performance, and quality to give you a premium workout experience. This treadmill is powered by a rugged 3.5 continuous horsepower motor that blows away industry standards and is durable enough to last for miles upon miles. The immersive and rich 10-inch full-color touchscreen is your home for all of your vital stats, entertainment, and workout programs. And try iFit to transport your run from the living room to the open road. Pick from a pre-planned route or map your own with Google Maps. Run anywhere on Earth, like the Swiss Alps, or walk on the beaches of Brazil, and your treadmill will automatically adjust to the inclines of the terrain. iFit also tracks your workout stats and goals, provides professional training, and allows you to connect and share with friends. Also access iFit on your tablet with the integrated tablet holder, or watch your favorite shows, browse the web, or connect with friends while you work out. When you're ready to push yourself, ramp your speed all the way up to 12 miles per hour with quick speed controls, or burn calories just by walking at an incline. With quick incline controls, you can increase your incline up to 12%. Run in comfort and get a softer landing under your feet with our innovative ProShocks cushioned deck. And even when you're sprinting, you'll run naturally, just like you would on the open road, with a spacious 20 by 60-inch deck. Mix up your run and try a different challenge each day of the month. Choose from 34 built-in workouts. Mile after mile, you'll stay cool and comfortable with the Cool Air workout fans. And if music is your motivation, plug your device into the MP3 or iPod-compatible sound system and get crisp and clear audio delivered through a powerful set of 2-inch speakers. Monitoring your heart rate is simple with the fast and reliable in-handle EKG grips. Or get the wireless chest strap and connect through Bluetooth to get a hands-free heart rate readout. Proform stands behind its quality and craftsmanship, which is why this treadmill is backed by a lifetime frame and motor warranty with a 5-year parts and 2-year labor warranty. And when you're done with your workout, folding and storing your treadmill is easy with the Easy Lift Assist and Space Saver design. Don't settle. Step up to a premium workout experience and get moving toward your fitness goals with the Proform Premier 1300.